Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off warn if S Pen is left behind on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then next we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Next we tap on the S Pen option. Then we scroll down and in here tap on more S Pen settings. Then we go down and tap on warn if S Pen is left behind. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. This will show a warning if you leave your S Pen behind and walk away with your phone while the screen is off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.